Hello, in this screencast we're going to look at creating a very simple website in Flux. So first let's create a new project. We're going to say no to this dialog so we can go through the process of creating it manually. So we have an empty site. This is the folder in the Finder. The first thing we're going to do is create a brand new web page. So simply choose Simple HTML. For the first page in a website, it's very common to call the page index.html. So this is our first web page. We will now attach a CSS file, but we need to create it first. So we'll go back to the site, press the plus button again, and add a plain CSS file. We can call this file anything we want to. We have now created styles.css. If we go back to the Page tab, we can add this style sheet to the page. So now we have a basic HTML page with a style sheet attached. Let's add a heading. There. We can add some more text. The buttons in the right-hand corner here switch between movement and text mode. We are now in movement mode, which means we can alter the padding, the shape, the size. If we switch to text mode, we can then edit the text. And we'll switch back to movement mode when we're done. Now, let's add a style to our style sheet. We'll switch to the Styles tab, click on styles.css. I'm going to create a new style. We're going to call this style H1. It appears here. Now, because this header is a H1 element, and our style is called H1, that links them. Which means we can make changes to the H1 style and the changes will be reflected on the page. For example, we can change the text color. We can also change the font size. If we know what the property is called, we can simply type it in. When we save the page, we'll notice that the styles.css is also saved. Now, let's try create a link to another page. So, switching back to the site, we'll create a brand new page. So we've got two files open now. We've got index and new. What we'll do is just put in some sample text. And then we'll save. Now, if we go back to index.html, we can create a link. We can go into text mode, select some text, and create a link. In this case, we'll link to new.html. So now when we move to preview mode, we can click this link and it'll move us to new.html. Thanks for watching.